Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create system restore point and how to use that system restore point to fix the Windows issue. So first we will understand what is system restore point. System restore point take your PC back to an earlier point in time where PC was working fine. Restore points are generated automatically when you install a app or driver. You can also create restore points manually. Next is how to enable the system restore point in Windows 10. So system restore points will be created only when you have turned on the system protection under the protection settings. So in order to enable the system restore in Windows 10, first you have to open the control panel and then click on the recovery option. When you click on the recovery option, you will see advanced recovery tools. Here you will find three options. You have to click on the configure system restore. Now here you can see in the protection settings, protection is on for Windows C drive. It means you can create the restore point. If system protection for C drive is off, then you have to click on the configure button and then you have to select turn on system protection. After that you have to click on apply and then OK. So these are the steps to enable the system restore. Now next is create restore point manually in Windows 10. For creating restore point manually, first you have to select the drive and then you have to click on create button. Once you click on create button, a pop-up appear. Here you have to type the description to identify your restore point. So current date and time will be added automatically. So I am writing here restore point after partition and then click on create button. Once you click on the create button, the system protection will automatically start creating the restore point. So you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Once creating restore point process completed, then you can see the message appear on the screen that the restore point created successfully. So here you can see the restore point created successfully. Now you have to click on OK button. So this is the process of creating manual restore point. Next, use restore point in Windows 10 to roll back your PC to good healthy state. In order to assess the system restore, first you have to open the control panel and then click on the recovery option. In advanced recovery tool, you have to click on open system restore. Here you will find two options, recommended restore and choose a different restore point. I am selecting choose a different restore point and click on the next button. Here you can see the restore point that I have created manually. So I am restoring my system using this restore point. So I am just clicking on this restore point and then click on the next button. When you click on the next button, you will see the next window confirming your restore point. Here you have to click on the finish button. Once you click on the finish button, your PC will be restored to good healthy state as mentioned in the restore points. Completing the restore operation successfully, PC will be started again. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos.